Hello everyone, this is Tamara Lankowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I am going to show you how to make a summery delicious lemon drop cake. So what you do is you get the Baker's Basic Cake Mix, and notice this only has 2 grams net carbs. This whole cake is going to have only 2 grams net carbs. And you follow the directions on the back of there. You just add 1 egg and 2 tablespoons cream. If you want to lower your calorie intake, you can use another liquid instead of cream. You can use almond milk, coconut milk, whatever you like. I'm going to use cream for this recipe. This is an excellent summer dessert. You take a half a lemon, maybe not a half, this lemon is a little bit larger, so I'm doing a little bit less than half. And you squeeze that into the cake. I'm going to mix it. You can see the consistency. And I would microwave this for 2 minutes. I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, and so now I'm just going to take the cream cheese frosting. You can see the cream cheese frosting in another video recipe that I have. I'm just going to squeeze some lemon in that, and I'm going to mix it up. This is so good, guys, and so healthy for you, and so low calories compared to what you normally eat. And I'm just going to put the frosting on top of the cake. And there you go. You have a delicious lemon drop cake. And it's so good and so filling. See that? God bless you. Visit HealthyTreatsMarket.com and place your order today.